Welcome again to our channel. Here are the tips and advice that help to succeed in business and cross-deal in sales become exposed. In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 things which must be focused in closing a deal in sales. In every business, every industry, sales is mandatory. Because if there is no sales, there is no revenue. If there is no revenue, there is no growth. There is no business exist. Business cannot exist without sales. So, without taking a long time, let's start with number one. I think you have to focus so that you close the sales. Number one is what we call understanding the customer's need. In sales, you have to tailor your pitch so that you solve a problem or pain point of customers. Ask a clarifying question and listen actively to their concern. Never try to solve your problem. In sales, you have to let your customers talk 80% and you talk 20%. This will help you to understand the pain point of customers. Number two is what you call to build trust and rapport. Here, you have to establish a relationship before pushing the sales. Be honest, professional, and consistent in your communication for your customers. This will help you to close a deal in sales. Number three is what you call highlight value over price. You have to emphasize the benefit and return on investment rather than focusing solely on the cost. You must convince your customers or show your customers benefit your product or services will bring to them whenever they consume or they take it. This will help you to close a deal. You must show how your product or services solve their problem better than competitor. Number four, you have to overcome objections and confidently. Here, what I mean is this. Be prepared for a common objection like budget, timing, or comparison. Use objection handling technique like feel, felt, found method to reassure the buyer. You have to ensure that decision maker is present. Confirm you are speaking to the person who have authority to make a purchase decision. If not, involve them as early possible. Because if you are talking to a person who have not purchasing a decision, it will end up you are wasting your energy. Another thing you have to focus is what we call clear and simple proposal. You have to make your offer easy to understand with no hidden fees or vague terms. You have a clear pricing timeline and deliverable in writing. So they might take time for appreciate you. Seek around to get more tips that can help you to close the sales deal.